It's Phonics Fun Day! Hello kids, this is Teacher Vanilla and today is our Phonics Fun Day! In our Phonics Fun Day, we are going to make a craft and that is called Walking Ant Puppet. The same like this. Hi, this is my ant puppet. Say hi to them. Look at that. So you are going to make like this. Hi! So in this activity, kids, you will be needing a scissor, a marker, a glue, and a worksheet for this activity. So I sent you these worksheets at home, so you have to check it. So kids, are you now ready to make your walking ant puppets? Okay, so let's begin. Kids, these are the worksheets that I sent you home. So you have to check it in your take-home packets. So you need a glue, a scissor, and a marker for this activity. Okay, let's begin. So you have to cut this paper with a scissor. You have to cut through the lines. Okay, today you really have to work out your muscles in your fingers because you really need to cut lots today. So you have to cut through the lines like that. See? So you really need and have an assistance from someone. Okay, do not cut without your parents or your aunts with you. Okay, you have to be very careful when cutting. your eyes, and your... That's my end. I'm almost done. I'm almost finished. Oh yeah, I'm done with my ant. Oh, still not finished. Okay, yes, I'm done. Here is my ant. Yay! I made my ant walking ant puppet. Now it's your turn. It's your turn to make your ant puppet. And you can play with it too. Good job. Hi kids! Now it's your time to make your walking ant puppets. Just try to be creative, kids. It's okay if it's not really looks like the same with the one that I made. You can create your own walking ant puppets too. I know you can make it. I know it's super easy for you because I know you are so creative. I know you can make it. Good luck, and don't forget to share your work to me in Seesaw. Bye kids!